Welcome to English with Rick, where everybody is welcome and equal. Are you learning to make the sound in English? If you are, this is the right place for you. In this lesson, you will learn how to use your lips, your tongue, and your throat to make this sound. This is something you can do. The letter R is the fourth most commonly used consonant and the eighth most commonly used letter of the English alphabet. And it's the letter that represents the sound, so it's important. It's in lots of words. It's in my own name, Rick, R-I-K. And because it's so common, pronouncing the sounds of this letter will make you more clearly understood in English. The sound can be difficult, though, especially in words like or, are, were, and year. And the can be pronounced differently. It depends on the other letters that are around it in the word you're saying. But this lesson is about the pure American sound. You pronounce the sound by placing the tip of your tongue near the alveolar ridge. It's just above your upper teeth at the front of your mouth. Then you curl your tongue back and breathe out as your vocal cords vibrate. There's a method that might help you do this. You start by pronouncing the E sound, and then while you're producing E, start to curl the tip of your tongue toward the back of your mouth, making sure that the tip of your tongue touches nothing. You should now be making the sound. You can practice this method with these words: fear, beer, and here. To make the sound, first of all, your tongue tip is curled upward and pointed backward, but does not touch the top of your mouth. The back of your tongue does touch the roof of your mouth at the inside of the back teeth, with pressure against the sides of those teeth. And your mouth is just slightly open. Your vocal cords vibrate while you're making the sound. There's also a narrow pathway for air to flow from the back to front at the center of your tongue. And that airflow is continuous. Your lips are rounded and they stick out a bit. You need to force the corners of your lips in from the side, raise your upper lip, and lower your lower lip. The back of your tongue is very close to the top of your mouth. Your tongue is tense, and this sound comes from the back of your mouth. Take some time to practice this sound with me now. Repeat the sound after me. Er. And try repeating these words. They have the sound in them. Repeat after me. Fear, beer, beer, and here. If you can make the sound in those words, try saying these words after me. Right, rope, form, march, fur, speaker. The sound is something you can master. It just takes practice to get it right. Listen to the earlier part of this podcast, the part where there was a list of things to do to make the sound. Once you look at that list, then repeat the sounds and words you did just a moment ago with that list of things to do in mind. Then do that again and again and again. It's practice that will make you get better at this sound. If you would like a private lesson with me about the sound or any other English topic, send me an email, englishwithrick@gmail.com, Rick spelled R-I-K. You can also check out all my videos in my YouTube channel, English with Rick.